This video will demonstrate how to convert your zone to the app mode. Now we need to understand the icons on the face of the monitor. If I hold down on the sticker on the face of the monitor, an icon will appear. If it is a padlock icon, that means that we're in reader mode or class mode. If I press down on the sticker and a cell phone appears, that means I'm in app mode. Now I would need to use some type of a device with Bluetooth and the IHT app to turn my monitor on and off. Now log into your IHT desktop. In the left-hand corner, click on Settings. Go to the very last gray tab, Zone Mode Switch. Notice Switch to App Mode is gray. With your Sony reader plugged into your USB port, next, set the monitor on your Sony reader. Notice that the switch to app mode has gone from gray to blue. Click on Switch to App Mode. A window will pop up that says HRM has been switched to app mode. Click OK. The final step would be to press down on the sticker or the face of the monitor. You should have a cell phone appear. That means that you're in app mode and you're ready to use your IHT Spirit app. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your customer success manager and they will help you with the proper steps.